This area means I have to take it area of a line plus area of the arc, that is a circle we need to take it as. So a divided by root 2, they have given that x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared is a circle. Radius is a units. If tan theta is 1 by root 3, then theta will be is equal to 30 degrees. Hello dear students, a warm welcome to one and all. My name is Vibha, Mathematics faculty at Vidhyaashram Pre-University College, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In the last session, we learned many problems on applications of integrals. And in today's session, dear students, here we are having session number 2 and chapter number 8, which is called Applications of Integrals. And what are all the topics we are going to study under this session is nothing but you are going to have some more problems of exercise 8.1 DS. So here the first problem they've asked like this. If we are having find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, the line x is equals to root 3y and the circle x squared plus y squared equal to 4. Now let us draw the circle. They have given it as x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 means you can have given x squared plus y squared is equal to 4, I can write it as 2 squared. Therefore, this is like x minus a whole squared, which is x minus 0 whole squared plus y minus 0 whole squared is equal to r square. So, radius is nothing but here 2. So, you can draw the circle which you are having radius is equals to 2 in the coordinate system. So this is a circle I can have which is radius you are having a 2 units, right? So this is you can have 2, 0 and then this is 0, 2 and here minus 2, 0 and here 0, minus 2. Isn't it? They have given a circle of a radius 2 units. So, therefore, I can write this one as x squared plus y squared is equal to 2 squared. Now, they have given next is nothing but a line which is nothing but x is equals to root 3y. So, given line is x is equals to root 3y. You can convert this in the form of y is equal to mx plus c by cross multiplying root 3 to the that side. So, y will be is equal to 1 by root 3 into x, right? Which is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c where c is nothing but 0. So, m is nothing but here 1 by root 3 which is nothing but so tan theta. If tan theta is 1 by root 3 then theta will be is equal to 30 degrees. So, the angle is nothing but you are having 30 degrees. So, here so, m will be tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. So, therefore, theta is equal to 1 by root 3 means it will be a 30 degree. So, I can draw the line which is a 30 degree. So, this is a line you can have a 30 degree. So, let us see a point of intersection also in that. So, point of intersection you can have. So, this is what 0 and this is 1 and here minus 1, correct? And that is minus 2. So, therefore, this you are going to have minus 1 and then minus 2. Here it is plus 1 and then 2. So, you can draw here which is an angle 30 degree, isn't it? This is an angle 30 degree. So, now you need to have the point of intersection of a line. So, here area of a region we need to find out which is bounded by a line and a circle. Bounded by a line and a circle is nothing but this is a region. This we need to find out, isn't it? Now, we can find out the point of intersection. So, let us take to find point of intersection. Point of intersection, what they have given, x is equals to root 3y and x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. Now you can substitute at x is equals to what? Root 3y. If you substitute x is equals to root 3y, x squared plus y squared equal to 4, x is equals to root 3y whole squared plus y squared is equal to 4. Now root 3 is nothing but 3y squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So 4y squared is equal to 4 means y squared is equal to 1 or y is equal to plus or minus 1. So you can have here if y is equal to plus or minus 1. So what is x will be is equals to? You know x is equals to root 3y. So when y is equal to 1, x will be is equal to root 3 into 1 is root 3. Similarly, when y is equal to minus 1, x will be is equal to minus root 3. That's it. So therefore, the point of intersection will be here you are having when x is equals to root 3, y will be is equals to 1, and then when x is equals to minus root 3, y will be is equals to minus 1. So therefore, here you can have the point of intersection, right? So which is nothing but you are getting here as x is equals to minus root 3 comma minus 1, right? So therefore, from this diagram you can have to find out the area of this region. So area of this region means I can draw the perpendicular from this point to here, isn't it? See, you can see here. This is a perpendicular line I am drawing. So therefore, you can have this is 0 to root 3 and root 3 to 2. So why I am drawing that one? Because this is a line and this is a circle. So therefore, if I want to get this area means I have to take it area of a line plus area of the arc, that is a circle we need to take it as. Therefore, which is given by, first you can have it as, so if I take it as this is a point of A and this is a perpendicular B and this is nothing but C. If you want to find out OAC, I need to find out first OAB, which is a line, and then I have to find out OABAC and then I have to find out BAC. So therefore, you are going to get it as area of OAC, isn't it? So therefore, which I can write it as, here I am writing area of OAC is equal to area of OAB plus area of ABC, right? So therefore, I can have here which implies that. So what is area of OAB? Area of OAB means I am going to draw the vertical stripes here. This is a vertical stripes I can take. So this will be y and this will be a dx. So therefore, it is varying from where? Origin is nothing but 0, 0, 0 to you are having root 3, isn't it? 0 to root 3. So therefore, integral from x will be varying from 0 to root 3 y into dx plus integral you are having root 3 to x will be varying from root 3 to where? Root 3 to, you can see root 3 to 2, the area of the circle. Root 3 to 2, that is y into dx. Okay. So this area we need to find out. So this is what the area of the line and this is the area of the circle. So if you want, I can write it here. This is area of line plus area of circle. Got? So therefore, you can have here area of a line. Y is defined what? The line they have given. See, y is defined as already we have written 1 divided by root 3 into x. So therefore, I can have which implies that x will be varying from 0 to root 3. Y is nothing but, you know, 1 divided by root 3x, 1 divided by root 3 into x plus x will be varying from root 3 to 2, y you know, circle. See, y you can replace here, x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. See, x squared plus y squared is equal to 4. So y squared will be is equal to 4 minus x squared, or y will be is equal to under the root of 4 minus x squared. So therefore area of a circle you are going to replace like that. So which will be is equal to under the root of 4 minus x squared into dx. This is into dx, right? I hope you understood this one. Now let me integrate this. So which will become 1 by root 3, you can take it outside. X power 1 integration is x square divided by 2 from the limit where x will be varying from 0 to root 3. Similarly, you can have this one under the root of 4 minus x squared, means it is a squared minus x squared, where a will be is equal to 2. So that integration gives you, which is plus. So the integration will be is equal to x by 2, x divided by 2 under the root of 4 minus x squared plus a squared by 2. A squared means which is 2 squared divided by 2 into sine inverse of x divided by a. A replaces 2. So from the limit what? So from the limit you have to apply, x will be varying from root 3 to 2. Okay, now applying the limit, upper limit first here and the lower limit. Similarly for this also, upper limit first and then the lower limit, and then simplify. So you are getting here 1 by root 3 into, which implies 1 by root 3 into, so if you apply upper limit, it will be root 3 whole squared divided by 2. You can take 1 by root 3 outside common, minus 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. So we have applied upper limit first and the lower limit as 0, plus, now let us apply upper limit. Upper limit is nothing but 2. So you can apply the upper limit as 2, which will become, see, 2 by 2, which is 1. 4 minus 2 squared. 4 minus 2 squared is 0. 0. 4 minus 4. 0 into anything will be 0, isn't it? So therefore, upper limit here for first term it will become 0, plus, let us apply here. Now 2 will get cancelled, remaining is 2. So you can have sine inverse of 2 by 2. Applying the upper limit is over, right? Now minus, open the bracket, apply the lower limit. Lower limit is nothing but root 3. So you can apply the lower limit wherever x is there, root 3. So root 3 by 2 into under the root of 4 minus x squared, means root 3 whole squared, plus, already 2 get cancelled, remaining is 2 only. So 2 into sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Applying the lower limit is also over. Now let us simplify further. What happens here? 1 by root 3. Root 3 whole squared is nothing but 3. So therefore 3 by 2. So you can write that one as, which will be is equals to, which implies that 1 by root 3 into 3 by 2, right? See here, 1 by root 3 into what you are having? Root 3 whole squared is 3. 3 divided by 2. Isn't it? So minus 0 we are not going to consider. Again plus 0 plus 2. See, you can see here sine inverse of 2 by 2. 2 will get cancelled, which is sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 is pi by 2. So therefore you can have plus, you can open the bracket. So 0 plus 2 into sine inverse of 1 is 2 into pi by 2. Now which is simplifying the upper limit is over, minus, open the bracket. Let us simplify this first. Now root 3 by 2 as it is, 4 minus, see, root will get cancelled. Under the root 4 minus 3, which is root 1. Under the root 1 is 1 only. So root 3 by 2 into 1 is root 3 by 2 only. So therefore minus root 3 by 2 into 1 is root 3 by 2 only. Again plus 2 into, you know, sine inverse of root 3 by 2. See, sine inverse of root 3 by 2. Where root 3 by 2 in sine? Which is a 60 degree. 60 degree can be written as what? Pi by 3. So therefore, I can write 2 into pi by 3. Isn't it? So plus 2 into pi by 3. I hope you understood this one. Close the bracket. Now you can still simplify this, which implies, see, this 3 can be written as what? Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 will get cancelled. Remaining one more is root 3 divided by 2. So plus, so here 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is nothing but what? Pi. Plus into minus is minus. Now you can have here root 3 by 2 into 1 is root 3 by 2. Again, minus into plus is minus. So you can have here 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3. Now what happens, dear students? Plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 will get cancelled. You are going to get pi minus 2 pi by 3. If you want, you can take the pi as common factor, which will be getting as 1 minus 2 by 3, isn't it? So, which will be getting as pi into 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 2 is nothing but what? 1. So, 1 divided by 3. Otherwise, if you take 3 pi minus 2 pi, which is nothing but pi by 3 square units, right? If you want, here only you can take a LCM 3 pi minus 2 pi by 3. That's it. So, this is your final answer. You are going to get it as for this diagram. Understood? So, this area we have found out. I hope you got this one. Now, we'll be moving on to the next problem, dears. What they've asked. Find the area of the smaller part of the circle x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared, cut off by the line x is equals to a divided by root 2. So, a divided by root 2, they have given that x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared is a circle. Radius is a units. So, let us draw that by writing. So, given x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared is a circle with origin, correct? That is 0, 0, O of 0, 0. Now, and they have given x is equals to a by root 2 is a line, right? Now, let us draw the circle, which is nothing but so therefore, you can have a circle which is nothing but here I can write x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. So, which is a circle, and then you are going to have radius is nothing but what? This is a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0 and this is 0 comma a and here 0 comma minus a, isn't it? Radius as a units, and then they have given x is equal to a by root 2 is a line. DS. If you are having a radius a, means a by root 2 will be lesser than a only. So, therefore, the line slightly lesser than a it will come. So, this is a line, let me take it as x is equals to a by root 2. Why I am taking a by root 2? A by x is equal to a means which is a line parallel to the y axis. So, a by root 2 is lesser than a. So, which is a line parallel to the y axis I have taken, and this is the origin you can have 0, 0. Now, here it is a line x is equals to a by root 2. Now, you need to find out what they have asked. They have asked you smaller part of the circle. Which is a smaller part? Yes, this is a bigger part and this is a smaller part of the circle. They have asked you to find out the area. So, therefore, let me mark that area here. So, this is the area they have asked you to find out. So, here, if you are finding out, see dears, this I am going to take it as O, this is a point and this is a B point and this is a C point. So, if you observe here dears, area of OAB is similar as area of OAC, isn't it? Therefore, if you find 2 times of area OAB, then finding the whole area, because they have not asked in the first quadrant or the second quadrant, they have asked you to find out the smaller part of the whole area. So, smaller part means include this is in the first quadrant, this is in the fourth quadrant. So, this area is similar to this area means finding double times of this area OAB is nothing but finding the whole area. Understood? So, therefore, you can write it as I am taking here the long, that means vertical stripes. I'm taking here vertical stripes, means this is a vertical stripes. You can have it is your y, and this is nothing but dx. So where it is from, x is equals to a by root 2 to a. This is x axis and this is also x axis. X is equals to a by root 2 to a twice. So area will be is equal to, so area of smaller part is equal to 2 times of x will be varying from a by root 2 to a, you are having, which is nothing but area of that circle, isn't it? So therefore y into dx. So what they have given, y into dx, y is nothing but you can convert. See, they have given x squared plus y squared is equal to a squared. Y squared can be written as a squared minus x squared. Y can be written as under the root of a squared minus x squared. This you are going to substitute. So let me substitute here, which it will be 2 times of x will be varying from a by root 2 to a. Y is nothing but under the root of a squared minus x squared into dx. Now you know already a squared minus x squared is given by the formula, which implies that x by 2 into under the root of a squared minus x squared plus a squared divided by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, isn't it? From the limit what? So from the limit a by root 2 x is equal to a by root 2 to a, right? That's what, a by root 2 to a. So here you should not forget that 2 times of, because we have written here 2 times of similar region. So you can apply the upper limit first. What is the upper limit? 2 times of, upper limit is a, apply the upper limit a by 2, a squared minus a squared, 0. 0 into anything will be 0 plus a squared by 2, as it is I am writing sine inverse of a by a. Sine inverse of a by a. So this is what the upper limit we have applied minus lower limit. So lower limit is a by root 2. Let us apply the lower limit a by root 2 here. So therefore a divided by 2 root 2, correct? Because root 2 will come to the denominator, into under the root of a squared minus a by root 2 whole square plus sine inverse of x by a. X is nothing but a by root 2, right? Root 2 into a squared by 2. A squared divided by 2. This is what the lower limit, close the bracket. Now you can further simplify that, which implies 2 times of, see, 0 plus anything will be same. So a squared by 2 as it is I am writing sine inverse of 1. Sine inverse of 1 is always pi by 2, which is 90 degree. So minus, now you can hear a divided by 2 root 2 into under the root of, see, a squared divided by root 2 whole squared is root will get cancelled, you are going to remain with 2. You can take the LCM as 2. 2a squared minus a squared is nothing but 1a squared. A squared divided by, you are having under the root 2, isn't it? So because under the root you are having. So under the root of a squared, that is 2a squared minus a squared divided by 2. So therefore you can have plus sine inverse of, see, a will get cancelled, a squared by 2, first I am writing this one, and then 1 by root 2, sine inverse of 1 by root 2. What is this 1 by root 2 sine inverse? 1 by root 2 is always 45 degree, 45 degree means pi by 4. So pi by 4, close the bracket. Now you can have simplification 2 into, see, pi a squared divided by 4 minus, here a divided by root 2, 2a squared minus a squared is nothing but a squared divided by 2. Under the root of a squared is a divided by root 2, isn't it? So a divided by 2 root 2, and this is 2a squared minus a squared. Under the root a squared is a divided by under the root 2. Got? So plus here a squared pi divided by 4 2s are 8. So further simplification gives you, see, root 2 into root 2 is nothing but 2. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So therefore I can write, which implies 2 times of pi a square divided by 4. You can multiply minus sign. A into a is a squared minus a squared divided by 2. Root 2 into root 2, which will become 4. Again, see, minus into plus is minus a squared pi divided by 8. Now you can take the LCM as 8. So 2 into LCM will be 8. If you take 8 as the LCM, you can write it as here 4 2s are 8, which is 2 pi a squared minus 4 2s are 8, 2a squared minus a squared pi, that is pi a squared. Now here 2 1s are 2 4s are, so which implies that 2 pi a squared minus pi a squared is nothing but pi a squared. So pi a squared minus 2a squared divided by 4. If you want, you can take a squared as a common factor, which is a squared by 4 into pi minus 2 square units. That's it. And this is your answer. You are going to get it as for this question, dear students. I hope you understood this one. So what is the next question they've asked? They've asked the area between x is equals to y square and x is equals to 4 is divided into 2 equal parts. By the line x is equals to a, find the value of a. So they have given x is equals to y squared means what? Y squared is equals to x, this one. So given y squared is equal to x is a parabola. 4a is equals to 1 here. Parabola about x-axis. About, they have given x, y squared is equal to x. 4ax is a parabola along the x-axis, isn't it? So therefore you can draw the parabola which is along the x-axis. So this is what the parabola you can have along the x-axis, right? And then they have given what? X is equal to 4 is divided into 2 equal parts by the line x is equals to a. X is equals to 4 at last by the line means a is lesser than 4. So therefore, this is a line x is equals to 4 you can take. This is a line x is equals to 4. X is equals to 4 is a line parallel to the y-axis. This is divided into 2 equal parts by a. What is that? This is a x is equals to a you can take. X is equals to a. 2 equal parts they have divided. Okay. So find the value of a they have asked you, right? So let us take it as here. Area of this region is equal to this region because they have given 2 equal parts, isn't it? So therefore, here you can take, this is also a region because this area will be equal to this area already they have given. So this is the origin 0, 0. So it is varying from 0 to a and a to 4. So this is a you can take it as because x is equal to a and this is a 4, 0 you can have. So therefore, so you can write given that, what is that? X is equal to y squared which is a parabola is divided into 2 equal parts as x is equals to 4 by the line x is equals to a they have given. So I can write it as here. I am giving the name OA. So this is B and this is A, B, C and then D. So area of OAB is equals to, if I am going to take it as here, the M and N, right? 2 times of you can take, right? Because this area is equal to this area is equals to this area. So 2 times of area OMA will be is equal to 2 times of area, what is that? MNCA, isn't it? MNCA. So here you can equate area of OAMB, see area of OAMB is equal to area of this whole area, which is nothing but AMBDNC, right? So this is what the area, that means 2 times of this area. See, this area is symmetric, this area is similar to this area and this area is similar to this area. So therefore I can take it as 2 times of, which implies that 2 times of area under what? X will be varying from where? 0 to, what is this? A. So x's will be varying from 0 to A. So what is that? Of the parabola y into dx is equal to area under the parabola, which is 2 times of x will be varying from A to 4. So A to 4, area of the parabola y into dx. What is the parabola they have given? Y squared is equal to x means y will be is equal to under the root of x. So therefore you can take it as 2 will get cancelled. You can have, which implies that, so area will be, x will be varying from 0 to A, y is nothing but under the root x into dx is equal to, y is nothing but under the root x, x will be varying from A to 4 under the root x into dx. What is under the root x? Under the root x is x to the power of 1 by 2. So therefore you can have, which implies that integral x will be varying from 0 to A, x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx is equal to, x will be varying from A to 4, x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx. So which implies that you can have x to the power of 1 by 2 is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 from the limit x will be varying from 0 to A is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 from the limit x will be varying from A to 4. Correct? So here you can observe that 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3 by 2. 3 by 2, if it goes to the numerator, 2 by 3. So it will implies 2 by 3 into x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 from the limit x will be varying from 0 to A is equal to, this also same, 2 by 3 x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 from the limit x will be varying from A to 4. Now 2 by 3 you can cancel, or you can divide throughout by 2 by 3. So you can apply the limit aram se now, x is equal to A to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 0 to the power of anything will be 0. This is over, will be is equal to, now you can apply the upper limit 4 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, apply the lower limit A to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1. Now this will become, see, A to the power of 1 by 2 into A, base are same, I can add out the powers, which implies this also 4 to the power of 1 by 2 into 4 minus A to the power of 1 by 2 into A. Correct? Now you can have, if this A to the power of 1 by 2 into A, if it comes to this side, that is plus A to the power of 1 by 2, which is 2 root A you can have. So which implies that, so if this minus A to the power of 1 by 2 comes this side, it is plus A to the power of. Now A to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as under the root A. So which is under the root A into A is equal to 4 to the power of 1 by 6 under the root 4 into 4. So under the root A into A. Now if you can take to that side, which will become root A into A plus root A into A, which will become 2 into 4. So which will be 2 times of root A into A, which will be is equal to 2 into 4. Now 2 will get cancelled. So which you can write it as under the root A is nothing but, because I need to find out the value of A here. So I need to take it as 3 by 2 only, which is 3 by 2 is equal to 4. Now if you shift the power to that side, it will become A will be is equal to 4 to the power of 3 by 2 will become 2 by 3. Now you can write this one as A will be is equal to 4 can be written as 2 squared into power 2 by 3. Now you can have A will be is equal to, this is 2 to the power of 2 2s are 4 divided by 3. Okay. Now therefore you are having, if you shift it to that side, it will become 2 by 3. The answer you are going to get is 2 to the power of 4 by 3. Otherwise, you can write directly a will be is equal to 4 to the power of 2 by 3. This and this both are right. If you stop till here also, it will be provided marks. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. Now, we'll be moving on to the next one. What they've asked. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x squared and y is equal to mod x. You know already y is equal to x squared or x squared is equals to y. It is a parabola about the positive y axis. So, let me take x squared is equal to given. X squared is equals to y is a parabola along positive y-axis. So, let me draw the diagram. And this is a parabola you are going to have, which is y will be is equal to x squared or x squared is equals to y. Now, here this is the origin of O of 0, 0. You can have, and they have given y is equal to mod x. What is y is equal to mod x? Mod x definition is nothing but positive if x is greater than or equal to 0 and negative x if x is lesser than 0. Now you can take the value of what? Accordingly, when x is equals to greater than 0, which is 1, 2 and lesser than 0, minus 1 and 2 to find out this point of intersection. Okay. So, therefore, so it is given by y is equal to modulus of x is greater than or equal to 0 and minus x if x is lesser than or equal to 0. Now, you can have the modulus function is nothing but this is a modulus function, isn't it? Now, this is what the modulus function, right? So, therefore, you need to find out the area of this region. So, the area of this region, bounded region. Find out the point of this intersection, okay? So, what happens there? If you find out the point of that intersection, you can have y is equal to x squared there and y is equal to mod x. If you equate it to positive x, what happens? Given y is equal to x squared. When x is greater than or equal to 0, y is equal to plus mod x, which is x is equal to x squared, or x squared minus x is equal to 0, or x into x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. So, when x is equals to 0, what happens to y? So, we know that y is equal to x squared. Let me write it again. When x is equals to 0, what is y is also 0. When x is equals to 1, y is also 1. So, this is a point of intersection 0, 0 and 1, 1. If it's here is 1, 1, here obviously it will be 1, minus 1. So, this is minus 1, isn't it? So, here minus 1 and this is 1. Now, here it will be having minus 1, 1 y-axis. So, that is a point of intersection DS. If you have this area is similar to this area, isn't it? So, therefore, if you find out the area of this same, you are going to get area of this itself. They are equal. So, here you can have what is that area bounded by. If I want this region means you have to include this also. If I draw the perpendicular here, see, if I draw the perpendicular, area below the line, this one, minus area above the line, isn't it? Area below the line minus area above the line, you can take it as, or area below the line minus area under the curve, if you take it as, it will be giving you this ray area, correct? So, therefore, here I can vary, if I am going to draw the vertical stripes here, this is a vertical stripes and this is y and this is dx. So, x will be varying from 0 to 1, I am going to take it as. So, first let us find out the area of this one. What is that? Oh, this is, let me take it as A and let me take it as B, right? So, first let us find out area of the parabola and then we'll find out area of that ray, right? So, area, first area of parabola. What is area of a parabola? Which is equal to, which implies that x will be varying from where? X will be varying from 0 to 1. You can take it as 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Area of the parabola. Parabola, what they have given? Y is equal to x squared, isn't it? If y is equal to x squared, if I take it as y into dx, let me take it as here y into dx, because I am drawn the vertical stripes there. So which implies that x will be is equal to 0 to 1, which is equal to that y is x squared into dx. Now which implies that you can integrate that one, which is x cube divided by 3 from the limit 0 to 1. So which implies you can apply the upper limit first, which is 1 cube divided by 3 minus 0. So you are going to get the answer will be is equal to 1 cube divided by 3 is 1 by 3. So this is the area of parabola, that is between parabola, and then area between ray you have to find out. So therefore here area between ray. So which implies that integral x will be varying from where? Same, you can take the ray is nothing but 0 to 1 only, 0 to 1. So y into dx. So I am here taking the positive. Positive means I can have here y is equal to positive x, y is equal to x itself. So which implies that x will be varying from 0 to 1, x into dx, which implies that x squared divided by 2 from the limit 0 to 1. If you apply the upper limit 1 by 2 minus 0, so which implies that 1 by 2 is your area between ray. Now I want the area of that part, especially this part. So therefore area you can minus area between a ray minus area between parabola. So area of smaller part is equal to area underline minus area under parabola. Correct. So area under the line means which is area between ray. So area between ray is nothing but what? Ray we have found out it as 1 by 2 minus area is 1 by 3. If you take LCM, so you can take the LCM will be is equals to 3 2s are 6. So 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. So which is nothing but the area it is given by the for positive. For the negative, what it will be? Same you are going to have, because this is similar. This is similar to this one. So therefore you can have this is a positive. Similarly area of second quadrant, isn't it? Second quadrant, that is the first quadrant which we have found it, is equal to also 1 by 6. I want the total area. So therefore total area is equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to, you can have 6, which is having 1 by 3. So this is your final answer. You are going to get it as DS. So 1 by 6 into 1 by 6, which is 1 by 3 square units, and this is the answer. You are going to get it as DS. I hope you understood this one. We'll be moving on to the next problem. What they've asked. Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y squared is equal to 4x and the line x is equals to 3. So this is very easier. You can have y squared is equal to 4x given y squared is equal to 4x is a parabola about what? X-axis, positive x-axis, or along positive x-axis. Correct. So let me draw that one. So this is a parabola you are getting about the x-axis. This is what y squared is equal to. This is y squared is equal to 4x, where a is equals to 1. Now they have given x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 is a line parallel to the y-axis. So x is equals to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis. So you can take this one, x is equals to 3. Here it is 0, 1, 2 and 3. So this is a line which is x is equals to 3. Now this area we need to find out, right? So therefore, if you take this area is similar to this area, if I found out this area is equal to this area, that is 2 times of that ones. So you can have area will be is equal to 2 times of x will be varying from where? If I am going to draw the vertical stripes, this is the vertical stripes, y, and then this is dx. 0 to 3, x is equals to 3. So you can take x will be varying from 0 to 3, y into dx. Y into dx. So which will be is equal to 2 times of x will be varying from 0 to 3. Y is nothing but what? Under the root 4x. See, they have given y squared is equal to 4x. So y is equal to under the root 4x, which is y is equal to root 4 into root x. So y is equal to 2 root x, right? So y is equal to 2 root x, you can write 2 root x into dx. Now 2 you can take outside, which will come 2 into 2 is 4. So integral x will be varying from 0 to 3 under the root x into dx. Under the root can be written as 4 into x will be varying from 0 to 3, x to the power of 1 by 2 into dx, which implies 4 into x to the power of 1 by 2 is x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. From the limit, x will be varying from 0 to 3. So which implies, see, 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2, if it goes to the numerator, 2 by 3. So 4 into 2 by 3. So which implies that you can write, right? So which implies that x to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 from the limit 0 to 3. Now apply the limit, dears. 4 into 2 by 3 is nothing but, see, you can have 4 into 2, which is 8 divided by 3. You can apply the upper limit 3. 3 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1. Apply the lower limit, which is 0. So therefore 3 to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 0, which implies that 8 by 3 into 3 to the power of 1 by 2 into 3 minus 0 is same as, so here 3 will get cancelled. You are going to remain with 8 under the root 3. So square units. And this is your final answer. You are going to get it for this question, dear students. Okay, dears, I hope you understood this session, how to solve the remaining problems of the exercise 8.1. In the next session, we'll be moving on to the exercise 8.2, dears. So until then, keep watching. Thank you. Have a nice day, dears.